When your English students ask you, which word should I use? I wouldn't answer them automatically. I'd show them this tool, Lyguee.com. One of my French engineering students asked me, which word is correct, stick or glue? A quick search in Google Translate had only left him confused. If we look at Google Translate, I typed in coller. That's the verb he was looking for. That's the French verb. We've got 3 translated options: paste, stick, or glue. There's no examples, no context, too difficult to choose. Choosing between synonyms like paste and glue is all about context. I showed him Lyguee.com. Lyguee it's very trustworthy website, and they crawl the internet looking for articles and texts that have been officially translated. So they have compiled a huge database. The articles are organized by context. There's technical, legal, commercial, even medical. When you arrive at Lyguee, just choose your language. Mine is English-French. Just below the search bar is the dictionary section, and you can see the verb coller with 6 different verbs in English for this French verb coller: paste, stick, attached, bond, adhere, affix. What I like about Lyguee is that you have good examples in a sentence. So we've got French on one side and the English translated on the right-hand side. It's very easy to choose your synonym. If you can't find your precise term in the dictionary section, just scroll down until you see external sources. And here we have the excerpts from the articles in French on the left, and then translated into English on the right. So you can scroll up and down. I usually tell my students to scroll in the French column until they find a context that's similar to what they are looking for. And then just read the English on the right. It works almost every time. I use this website to find sentences illustrating the new vocabulary or new expressions that we're covering in class. I teach business English, so I'm so happy that I can find business context on Lyguee, and these are real world examples from articles published on the internet. It's perfect for making, quizzes where you have fill in the gap, especially TOEIC style questions. So I hope this has been helpful. This has been Ellen Baker Dubois with BusinessEnglishAllure.com. Ciao.